Jordan Brand continues its momentum in women's sneaker culture with the Fall 2025 release of the Air Jordan 1 Light Madder Root. Officially dressed in Baroque Brown, Light Madder Root, sail, the shoe features a clean two-tone upper, contrary to earlier mock-ups suggesting a Neapolitan-style design. Pink accents on the Nike Air tongue tag add subtle flair, while the overall look remains autumn-ready and versatile. Following the success of past women's exclusives like the Praline and First in Flight, this pair reflects the brand's dedication to crafting refined, seasonal styles that resonate with female sneaker enthusiasts. Scheduled to launch on September 9, 2025, through Nike.com Jordan and select retailers, the retro will retail for around $180 to $190. By combining balance, style, and exclusivity, Jordan Brand reinforces its growing emphasis on tailoring iconic silhouettes to women's evolving sneaker preferences.